वंदे मातरम प्रगति, वंदे मातरम। अब अच्छा लग रहा है, वार्म भी फील हो रहा है। हाँ जी, so as thank you to Mayank ji for the great introduction, I would like to introduce you all to my firm, Suresh & Company. We are 56-year-old firm, and if I speak a little about my founder, who is Mr. Suresh Babu. He is a chartered accountant. He started a firm in 1968, much before. ठीक है, सो हमारे जो फाउंडर हैं DL Suresh Babu. He is born and brought up in Bangalore, and he started his firm as a sole proprietor in 1968. He waited up till 1999 to introduce other partners and start our firm, and broaden our horizons by bringing different partners to our firm. So if we talk about the roadmap, 1968 mein is when we established. 1999 mein we became a partnership firm, and then we started bringing expertise and different divisions to it. We started with audit, company law and taxation as an initial division, and later on, as we saw that transfer pricing provisions were introduced in year 2001, we got a transfer pricing division as well. If for most of us, we'll be understanding that transfer pricing hota kya hai. So if we say domestic transfer pricing, international transfer pricing, both we look at. Then when we realized then 2007 में that हम लोग की जो एक्सपर्टीज है वो बढ़ती जा रही हैं, हमारे क्लाइंट्स जो हैं वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, सो वी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अन्वेषण, आवर नॉलेज पार्टनर, to take forward our knowledge solutions and providing solutions to all of our clients. And as such, we expanded into 2 different offices in addition to the existing one. Then धीरे करके we kept adding. So if we say in the initial 30 years, our founder was the sole proprietor who was taking forward our firm. After that, in the next 20 years, our graph boomed, and we reached from being one person to, as on date, 155 personal professionals, and 3 different cities in our country, which is New Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai. And जहाँ पर COVID ने hit किया सब लोग को, and every business almost took a back step, there we found it as an opportunity and we went digital. It so much happened that हम लोग के लिए seamlessly we were able to manage our work. Rather, we were able to reach even further beyond the boundaries of India and other countries. As on date, we are 10 partners, and I joined, if I tell a little about myself, I joined there at Suresh & Co in 2019 as an employee in the scrutiny division. In the next year, they bestowed upon me as a division head of the scrutiny division and NPO division. NPO divisions, matlab charitable trusts. Those 2 being my forte, scrutiny, direct taxation, and direct taxation advisory and charitable trusts. And by the year 22, I was a partner with them. We have 3 branches. We are 155 personals who are professionals. And as on date, we can proudly say we have created 184 CAs. That is our chota sa yogdan to the Indian economy. We have 4 office spaces, and we have reached beyond 25 countries as on date. So countries like Japan, Philippines, Singapore, Sri Lanka, UAE, India, United Kingdoms, Netherlands, Switzerland, Spain, Ireland, Colombia, and various states in USA. So if we talk about divisions and the expertise, that's basically what we all look at, that what is it different that you do. So we can say we are a one-stop solution provider for you, whichever starting from the inception of a company to taking it beyond. We worked with many startups who are now unicorns. Due to restraints, I will not be able to explain and name them, but we can in the next slide discuss about the industries we've touched upon and we've served. So if I quickly talk about the divisions that we work in, one of them is consultancy, which talks about advisory. आप सोचेंगे कंसल्टेंसी इन व्हाट एस्पेक्ट, कि अगर सपोज आप कोई बिजनेस खोलना चाहते हैं, आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ अस आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, वी वुड हैव हैड दिस क्वेश्चन व्हेन वी वर स्टार्टिंग, दैट इज हम कौन सा बिजनेस खोलें, व्हाट शुड बी आवर एंटिटी मॉडल, शुड इट बी अ सोल प्रोप्राइटर, शुड इट बी अ कंपनी, शुड इट बी एन LLP, how should we go about it? So that's one of the examples of a consultancy division what we look at. Audits में internal audits, statutory audits, bank audits, income tax में litigations and other advisories. देन GST, जब GST लॉ आया तो हम लोग को रियलाइज हुआ कि हम लोग को एक GST डिविजन भी होना चाहिए डेडिकेटेड टू द एंटायर GST प्रोविजंस एंड द एवर इवॉल्विंग GST लॉ. C law team, we have a company secretary in house. Then HNIs, if I talk a little about HNIs, the high net worth individuals, we cater to their needs. Talking about, we almost work as a CFO to the HNIs. We teach them what is better for them, how they can manage their wealths, and also we help them file their returns for US and other countries. Then NPO division, starting from whether whether your objective about doing charitable activities, is it falling in the purpose of charitable activities as per income tax or not, to taking it up to listing upon the NSE, the National Stock Exchange, and the Bombay Stock Exchange. Then transfer pricing, international taxation, suppose हम लोग किसी को कोई payments करते हैं बाहर, उसका क्या implication होगा, and whether any taxation would be reading the DTAA, the double taxation avoidance agreements, and understanding the withholding taxes. अगर आप सबको ये bouncer लग रहा है तो TDS. Then tax litigations, both indirect and direct taxations. The industries, as I told, we have served upon listed companies, PSUs, hotel industries, retail e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, SaaS platforms, that is a service as a software service. Then manufacturing for automobiles, EVs, chemicals, incense sticks, retail sales, saris, industrial AI, NBFC unregistered, organic retail stores, law firms, power sectors, IT and security management, private equity database, paper packaging, management service, account aggregator, sports academies, dealership, and waste management. The reason I would like to talk more about this is because this is how I think I can help you all. I'm sure all of you would be having some or the other interest in these industries. So I would request you all to fix an R2B with me and see how I can, be of help to you all. Then one of the great awards that we have is that we are peer-reviewed certified. Peer-review certified, I'm sure Dr. Chawla will be able to understand, Munish ji, all the other professionals will be able to understand better. If I say in a layman term, we are eligible to do listed company audits as well. And we have a certificate of recognition from a magazine which says we are one of the 25 most trusted tax consultants in India. That's about it. You may all connect with me, and please, I'm open for questions if any. Yes.